Hello, we are going to solve the problem of the day from LeetCode. In this case, the problem is an easy problem that gives us two phrases, let's say, two strings, that are separated by a space. And the problem is asking to return the list of uncommon words, and to sum up the description of the problem. An uncommon word is any word that is present in any of the strings, but only once. For instance, in the first example, the words that are present only once are sweet, that is present only in S1, and sour, that is present only in S2. The first part of the problem is that we need a helper function that allow us to split the strings into, let's say, into words, because currently we have in form of phrases. After that we have the strings, we can use an unordered map to basically store the amount of repetitions per each word, and then we need to build the answer, the vector of a string as answer, with all of the words that we found that are present only once, regardless in any string S1 or S2 they are. Okay, then let's start with the helper function. This helper function needs to return the words, let's say, because currently the strings are phrases. And how we're going to identify the words? Basically by the spaces. Last space. No, let's call it last beginning. Then we need also the length of the string. We are going to identify each space, and when we identify a space, we need to store the current string in our vector of words. We can use the substring method of C++, and we need to give the last begin. Basically, this in the number is the last beginning of, and also we are going to configure the last beginning after that we have added the current word. The last beginning will be the next index position, and basically this last beginning variable allow us to track the start of the last word that has not been added, let's say. And the length of this will be E, that is the current index, because the second argument of this function is the length of the substring. Then also we need to add the last word, because for instance in this example, at the end we usually have a word also, and this is not handled by the current logic because at the end we don't have any space. Okay, we already have our helper function. Then we are going to create an unordered map, and this will be word count, and let's iterate each word in the string 1, and we're going to obtain the words using our helper function. Let's increase the count of this of each word, and we're going to do the same for the string 2, and then we need to build the answer. The answer basically it's built from the words that appears only once. For that we need to iterate or word count unordered map. And only if the count is equal to 1, we are going to add the word to the answer. Let's test our implementation. Okay, it looks correct for the first example. Let's check with the second example. Yeah, it's correct. Then let's check in the LeetCode editor. Okay, it's accepted. Then let's see, let's submit. Okay, the implementation was correct. I hope that the explanation was clear. If not, let me know in the comments. Thank you.